I just spent a few days in San Diego with some of my girlfriends and our beautiful kids, and this is what I prepped for our beach days. Pasta salad with lots of Reggiano, veggies, and mozzarella pearls is a must. I also made chicken salad 3 ways. One was traditional with lots of herbs, a Greek version with feta, olives, cucumber, then my favorite, a spicy buffalo, all made with mostly Greek yogurt instead of mayo. Then I marinated some steak before I left for steak and eggs. I also prepped lots of juicy chicken by searing the outside, then finishing in the oven and letting it cool completely before slicing. And that's it. Now I'm left feeling blessed for creating beautiful memories together.